oedd nain a taid bala methu cael plant sydd ar ôl prodi, oedden nhw'n meddwl.
Ar ei mam cael ei mabwysiadu, a wedyn 19 mis wedyn ar nhw gael merch, a wedyn o'na 5 o'n nhw, yn diwedd. Ia.
Oedd mam a dad yn dweud bod fi'n un arbennig lle de, bod fi wedi cael ei dewis a bod y lleill jyst i landio. A'r gŵr mae o hyd yn dweud, mae gen ti hawl gwybod, mae gen ti hawl gwybod. A jyst eisiau gwybod dipyn bach mwy o lle da ni wedi dod o.
Wel, o'r matches DNA wedyn, mi o na un yn arwain at deulu o Coventry o'r enw'r Maclws. Ac at un dyn yn arbennig.
Na!
Harry Maclw.
O, mam bach.
Di dal o fyw?
Na, gdi'n meddwl.
Mae'n meddwl
meddwl
Mi fuodd o farw'n 2007. Wedyn ma' 'na sbel.
Ie.
Sydd yn bod farw. Yn does.
Waw.
Ond dyna ni. Enw. Enw. Ie. Mi oedd o wedi prodi. A mi oedd gen fo 2 o blant.
O, bach.
Mi gen fo fab, gath ei eni yn 1955. A merch gafodd hi geni yn 1958. Yr un amser y gathach chi eich geni.
Waw, fi.
Mi ddaru'r y weithred gymdeithasol gysylltu efo'r ferch. A gofyn iddi fysa hi'n fodlon gwneud prawf DNA gadarnhau.
Ie.
Do, oedd o'n amlwg yn sioc iddi achos...
O, mae'n siŵr.
Oedd ddim yn gwybod.
Dim clem.
Dim clem, ond...
O, mam, ti eisiau rhywun fel dim eithaf gael?
Mi nath i gytuno.
Do.
Mi nath i gytuno.
Chwarae teg.
Ac yn cadarnhau bod hi'n hanner chwaer.
Iawn. Oh my gosh.
Wow. Mae gen i lun ond efo i mewn o fan hyn.
Mae'n reit dywyll, di.
Yndi. Ond dim ifanc, di o fanna, da. Waw.
A fel o'n i'n deud, mae di dod yn dipyn o sioc iddi hi, achos oedd hi yn gwybod nag oedd.
Fwy o sioc, dydy. Mewn ffordd, lot mwy, dydy.
Mae lot o bethau di digwydd yn gyflym iawn i
Iddi hi, dydy.
hefyd.
Chwarae teg iddi da.
Ie. Chos oedd o dal mewn protas lle oedd.
Yn ddangos i fod o.
Waw.
Diolch o galon.
Ergion fawr, ie.
Croeso. Ti di cael amser i gymryd hyn i mewn, wan.
O, sa'n neis cyfarfod ti, bysa. Sa hi'n fodlon yn,
Ie. Falle medru symud ymlaen a cael chydig bach mwy o gysylltiad.
Ie.
Ie.
Mae'n wbeth i edrych ymlaen am dydy, mae bywyd mor fyr. Mae'n wbeth positif ofnadwy o'r ochr ni, de. Dwi'n gwybod os di mor positif ochr nhw, ella fydd o mewn amser, ond dim cweit yn syth iddyn nhw, ella.
Sut mae nhw'n diwod, ti'n meddwl,
Fatha fi, nerfus o'n i fel.
I Helen, heddiw di'r diwrnod y bydd hi'n cyfarfod ei hanner brawd a chwaer am y tro cyntaf erioed.
Dwi'n teimlo dipyn bach yn nerfus heddiw. Mwy nac be o'n i'n disgwyl. Am bod fi wedi gwybod hanes yr fam gen i erioed, really. Ond dim byd am ochr y tad gen i, lle da. Dwi wedi derbyn llythyr, oedd hi wrth yn sibling, Jane, ac oedd y pethau bod ni'n debyg trwy bywyd mor rhyfedd iawn. So ni'n medru fod yn ddeilliad, really. Bywyda ni'n parallel, just yn ydy. Dwy ferch a mab, de.
Ie.
Chwarae pêl-rwyd, hyfforddi pêl-rwyd, ynddo?
Dwi'n debyg, de. Dwi'n rhaid drychiad.
Ie. Gawn ni weld.
Had very mixed emotions. Being so close in age and everything, it's just such a shock. Complete and utter shock, really. I had absolutely no idea. Once I got used to the idea and over the shock, family were behind me about finding out more.
Be ti'n mynd i wneud pan mae'n gyrraedd yma? Ti'n wedi gael rhwng ti?
Dwi'n siŵr. Ynddo.
Os Ti'n nerfus, Mila, sy'n mae hi'n teimlo?
Hello.
Hi!
Oh, gosh. Wow. Oh, gosh. No, all right, are you?
Thanks, yeah.
Yeah,
to meet you.
been a long morning then.
It has been a long one.
So were you nervous as well then?
Yeah.
So we're both 58, aren't we?
Oh, yes,
1958 babies.
Yes, yeah. When's your birthday?
10th of the 10th.
11th of the 9th. That's just
Not much in it, is it? About 4 weeks in between, yeah.
Unbelievable.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah.
And the similarities we've got is...
On the letter, it's like somebody else. It's a...
You could have been my twin.
Yeah, it's bonkers, isn't
Yeah.
it? Got some photos here of older photographs of Dad. He's just a lovely dad, wasn't he? He was...
Oh, yes. He was always there.
Yeah.
Yeah. And that's Dad. That's his best friend who's still alive now. He didn't know anything either.
No.
And they were working together at the time and everything.
In the butchers, yeah?
Yeah, so shocked, yeah. Said, and I thought we knew everything about each other. And you never got to meet your biological mother, I know.
She worked in a shop, did she, next to Dad? Next to
Near
the
the
butcher's
shop.
shop, by the butcher's shop.
Yeah.
It's been a big shock for you, isn't it?
Yeah,
Terrible.
yeah.
How did you feel?
I said, it's just the shop, you know, that
Yeah.
Mum and Dad were together and married and so close and, you know, couldn't talk about it without crying. Like, you know, thinking, did Mum know? Did they know? Did they know? Did they not know? You know. As everyone says, if Dad had known, I'm sure he'd have been involved if he could have been. We'll never know, will we?
Di bod yn dipyn o rollercoaster braidd felly. I cwrdd ar wyn efo'r un gwaed o fi. Mae jyst yn di cyflawni fi wrach.
Your mum and you had a lovely life with your
Oh,
mum and
yes,
Dad.
yeah.
Yeah, that's lovely.
Lovely, lovely.
You didn't want to find out straight away, did you, Mum? No. You didn't want to know.
Are you pleased you've done it?
Oh, I am now, yes.
Yeah.
I ni, ella bod yn teimlo fa bach o ddiweddglod ydi.
Yndi.
Dydyn nhw, megis dechrau di o de. A mae hynna'n yn beth braf, swn i'n dweud ydi gwybod bod chdi'n perthyn i rywun.
Pleased to have done it, so pleased to have done it. And it would be nice to get everybody together, you know, our children and all those children. Yeah, it's nice.